Hello, today I want to talk about monoterpenols. So monoterpenols tend to be less volatile than monoterpenes and sometimes, a lot of the time, are more aromatically rich. So think of them as less volatile, slightly less considered less irritant and less sensitizing than monoterpenes, although some of the components of monoterpenes are now being listed as sensitizers like linalool and geraniol. So some of the components of monoterpenols you'll be very familiar with because they're very common in a lot of essential oils. Things like geraniol, citronol and linalool. Now the one we're going to look at today is citronol, and we're going to look at it within the essential oil Rose Geranium. So it's a 28% in Rose Geranium, which is quite high, and the overall monoterpenol content of Rose Geranium essential oil is 47%. So very rich, and that tends immediately chemically to make me think, okay, it's going to aromatically be divine because it's so high in monoterpenols. So I'm going to make a really simple blend today to show you how I would use this essential oil, and I'm going to use some floral waters. You guys might know them as hydrosols or hydrolats, depending which camp you sit in. So they're beautiful aromatic waters. So what I'm going to do is make a 30ml facial spritz with two different hydrosols. I'm going to use Rose Otto, which is beautiful, and I'm just going to do 15 mils, and I'm just going to pour 15 mils in here of my rose. And the other one I'm going to use is peppermint. So rose is beautiful, very regenerative, also very nice, very regenerative for the skin, but a really nice mood booster as well. And the other one I'm going to use is peppermint, and I'm using peppermint because it's so refreshing for the skin. Especially if you use this in the morning, then it's beautiful. So I'm going to use 14 mils of peppermint. So a nice balance. And the 1 ml that's missing is going to be my Rose Geranium essential oil. So I'm literally going to add these straight to my bottle. And then always leave room for your pump or spray bottle. And then I'm going to use Rose Geranium, and I'm going to use 26 drops. So I'd be asked quite a lot how many drops are in a ml in my eyes. I was taught 26. So some people say 25, 24, some people say 30. I say 26. 16. So this is beautiful. And it's in total, as I said, you're going to have nearly 15% monoterpenols in here, and you're going to have 28% citronol. It's a beautiful mist. You just add your cap, mix it, and make sure you give it a really nice shake before you use it every time. But this mist is lovely after you cleanse your face, or even throughout the day, just to refresh your skin and also to refresh your mood. It smells beautiful. So try it and let me know what you think.